morning, ma'am. I'm the representative of Vesalius house, and myself, my name is T. Harita. I'm going to explain the topic of twinning. Twinning. When a mother gives birth to two infants at the same time, it is called twinning. And if it is three, it is called triplets. And if it is four, they are called quadruplets. Types of twinning. Twinning is of two types: monozygotic, dizygotic. Monozygotic twins. Here, single fertilized ovum will give rise to two twins. They have the same genetic constitution and they are of the same sex. And they look alike in external appearance. They have the same blood group, same hair color and eye. And monozygotic twins are produced in three ways. First way, here early embryoblast separation. Early embryoblast separation, the cells formed from the first few divisions of the zygote or totipotent, that is single cell, is capable of giving rise to the entire embryo. Here, from the early two-celled stage, it develops independently and they have their own amniotic and chorionic sacs. That's why they are also called as the dichorionic diamniotic. And the percentage of incidence is 20 to 25% and it is formed after third day of fertilization. Second way, it is by duplication of inner cell mass. The embryo develops normally till the morula stage, but when the blastocyst is formed, the inner cell mass completely divides into two and each is capable of developing into a complete fetus. Here, they have their common chorionic sac but independent amniotic cavity. That's why they are also called as the monochorionic and diamniotic. The percentage of incidence is 70 to 75% and it is separation done between the fourth and seventh day after fertilization. The third way is duplication of embryonic disc. Here, the two embryonic discs are formed in one inner cell mass. That's why they are of monochorionic and monoamniotic, and the percentage of incidence is less than 1% and the separation is between the 8th and 12th day after fertilization. Dizygotic twins, here two ova are released simultaneously from the ovary and these are fertilized by two different sperms, thus forming two zygotes. Hence they are also called as the dizygotic or fraternal twins. Here they have different genetic constitution and different or same sex, and they do not resemble each other and they are dichorionic and diamniotic. 90% of cases are dizygotic and only 10% are monozygotic.
Clinical correlation. Hazards of monochorionic monoamniotic twinning. Incomplete duplication of disc results in the formation of conjoined twins or double monster. Incomplete separation of monozygotic twins results in birth of two infants joined together in some parts of the body. It is possible to separate them by operation, but most of them are born dead. Depending on incomplete separation, there are different types of conjoined twins. There is craniopagus, fusion of head, thoracopagus, fusion of thorax, cephalothoracopagus, fusion of thorax and head, pygopagus, fusion of sacral region. Acephalic and acardiac fetus, in which the underdeveloped fetus depends on the other fetus for the supply of blood because the underdeveloped fetus may possess no heart.
I am here to tell parasitic twins. Sometimes second conceptuals develop over the developing embryo as a mass embedded on it for its development and growth. It occurs among 50,000 to 1 lakh individuals.
Thank you, Dr. Shikla ma'am.